As a homeowner in Austin, you know that the city's climate can be unpredictable. From sweltering summer heat to cooler, more temperate winters, managing indoor comfort can sometimes feel like a balancing act. One of the most effective ways to ensure a comfortable living environment year-round is through window replacement. New windows not only improve your home's aesthetic appeal but also significantly enhance its energy efficiency, comfort, and overall performance. Here's how window replacement in Austin can improve your indoor comfort, no matter the season. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the top benefits of replacing old windows in Austin. With the city's hot summers, keeping your home cool can be a challenge. Poorly insulated or outdated windows are a significant contributor to heat gain in the summer, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. This results in higher energy bills and reduced indoor comfort. New, energy-efficient windows are designed to help regulate your home's indoor temperature by minimizing heat transfer. Features such as double or triple glazing, low emissivity glass, and argon gas fills between the panes help to keep your home cooler during the summer by blocking out the sun's intense heat. In the winter, these windows retain warmth inside, keeping your heating system from overworking. With professional window replacement, you'll enjoy a more energy-efficient home that stays comfortable while lowering your utility bills year-round. Enhanced temperature control. One of the most noticeable benefits of replacing your windows is the improved ability to control the temperature in your home. Older windows, especially those with single panes or worn-out seals, tend to allow air leaks. These leaks can lead to inconsistent temperatures, with certain rooms feeling too cold or too warm. This can make it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor environment, especially in Austin's fluctuating weather. With new double or triple pane windows and high-performance seals, your home's insulation is greatly enhanced, preventing drafts from entering or escaping. This results in more even temperatures throughout your home, so you won't experience sudden cold spots in the winter or stifling heat in the summer. Whether it's the middle of a scorching Austin summer or a chilly winter evening, new windows will help you maintain a consistently comfortable temperature inside your home. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living in Austin means you're often exposed to outside noise, whether it's from traffic, construction, or neighbors. Old windows, particularly those made with single-pane glass, do little to block out noise. If external sounds are becoming a nuisance in your home, window replacement can be an effective solution. Modern windows, particularly double-glazed windows, are designed to provide sound insulation. The space between the panes of glass, combined with the advanced materials used, helps to absorb and block external noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. This is especially beneficial if you live near a busy street or in a densely populated area of Austin. By replacing your windows, you'll be able to reduce unwanted noise, making your home a more peaceful retreat. Better indoor air quality. Older windows with poor seals or insulation can allow dust, pollen, and other allergens to enter your home, affecting the overall indoor air quality. If you suffer from allergies or respiratory issues, replacing your windows can significantly improve the air inside your home. New windows come with tight seals and weather stripping, which help keep out dust, pollutants, and allergens. This creates a cleaner, healthier environment for you and your family. Additionally, many modern windows are equipped with low-maintenance glass, which resists condensation and mold growth, common issues that can worsen air quality. With replacement windows, you'll enjoy cleaner, fresher air, which contributes to a healthier and more comfortable home. Enhanced natural light and ventilation. Another benefit of replacing your windows is the ability to increase the amount of natural light in your home. Older windows with heavy frames or outdated designs may block sunlight, making your rooms feel darker and less inviting. By replacing these windows with larger or more energy-efficient designs, you can brighten up your living space, which enhances the overall ambiance of your home. Additionally, new windows offer better ventilation options. If you live in an area of Austin where evenings are cool and pleasant, the ability to open your windows for fresh air is important. Modern windows, especially casement and sliding windows, provide easy access to outdoor breezes, allowing you to improve airflow and reduce the need for air conditioning on mild days. Increased security and peace of mind. The security of your home is another important consideration when replacing your windows. Older windows may have worn out locks, cracked glass, or frames that no longer fit properly, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins. New windows, especially those designed for enhanced security, are much harder to break into. With reinforced glass, advanced locking mechanisms, and sturdy frames, modern windows offer significantly improved security. This added protection gives you peace of mind, knowing your home is secure from intruders, while also ensuring the safety of your family. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Replacing your windows with durable, modern materials reduces the time and effort spent on maintenance. Many older windows, especially wood-framed windows, require regular upkeep, including painting, sealing, and caulking. On the other hand, newer windows, made from materials like vinyl and fiberglass, are resistant to warping, rotting, and fading, which reduces the need for frequent repairs. Investing in high-quality replacement windows not only enhances comfort but also ensures that your windows will last for many years with minimal maintenance. This long-term durability makes window replacement a smart choice for homeowners who want to avoid the hassle of constant repairs and upkeep. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows in Austin is an investment that provides a range of benefits, from improved energy efficiency and temperature control to noise reduction, enhanced security, and better indoor air quality. Whether you're looking to improve your home's comfort during hot summers or chilly winters, upgrade the aesthetic appeal of your home, or save on energy costs, new windows can make a significant difference. By choosing professional window replacement in Austin, you can ensure that your windows provide lasting comfort and functionality for years to come.